Windows 11 taskbar is one of the features I love the most on my Windows laptop, but there are so many things you can do with your Windows taskbar. This is one of the features that you can enjoy solely on your Windows 11 PC. In this video, I want to guide you on how to customize your window as a beginner to look like professional. All you have to do now is to watch this video till the end. The first thing you have to do is to pin and unpin apps in the taskbar. In case you don't know which one is taskbar, taskbar is what you see at the base of the screen here, and sometimes you can see at the top of the screen. This has to do with some configuration which we may likely fix or go through in this video. So here is what we call taskbar. So there are different ways you can pin any app on taskbar here. Now here is Brave browser on my device. Now to pin this Brave browser on my device, click on this type button, type in Brave or whatever apps you are seeing there. Now right click on it. Have this option that says pin to taskbar. Click on that button. Now you can see that the Brave browser has been pinned to taskbar. That is one of the easiest way to pin any app to taskbar on Windows 11. Another process to do that is to launch the app itself. Once the app is launched, like what you see on the screen here, now come to this place, right click on it, then click on this pin. Then this will pin it to taskbar. So even if you close the app, it remains on taskbar. That is the simple process on how to pin any apps to taskbar on Windows 11. Then you can as well unpin the same app using the same process. Now this one is pinned already. Now right click on it, click on unpin taskbar. It will unpin it. You can come to this search bar, search for Brave or the name of the browser you've pinned here, right click on it, then click on print from taskbar. That takes the app from your taskbar. This settles the process of pinning and unpinning any app to taskbar on Windows 11. The next thing you have to do is window icon. Here is window icon. If you left click on the window icon, it comes out like this. You have access to this Edge, Excel, majorly the latest thing you've done on your device, and you have access to this settings icon. On the other hand, if you right click on the start menu again, you have access to this a lot of options: install, mobility center, power option, event viewer, system, lot more. So you have access to all these once you right click or left click on the window button or window menu on your device. Now that I've done that, so to get rid of some of these things here, now you have this pin button here on the taskbar. Some of this app is active, this one is active, that is why you see all this. But there are some apps here that are pre-installed on the taskbar once you load your window. Like this one, you can take them away. This particular multiple desktop, you can take them away. Then this Microsoft Teams, you can take them away. And to do that is very simple. This is what you have to do for me now. Come to this taskbar here, right click on it and click on Task Manager or Taskbar Setting. It comes out like this. The first thing is Taskbar Item. So as I make settings here, take a look at what is going to happen here. The first thing here is search box. If you click on this search box and you click on hide, everything here move to this side and the search box has been taken away from this place. Click on it and introduce click search icon only. It brings the icon here. Click on it again, search icon and label. You have it here, tells that is search and label. Then if you click on it, search box alone, it brings you this search box alone with the label removed from it. Now click on this one, task view. This is what we call task view. If you toggle on this one, task view will be taken away from it. Then if you tap on it again, task view will come out here. So they disable it. Then the next one is this widget. If you click on this widget, then it comes around this place. It's going to load up here in a moment. Then toggle it off, to take away the widget. Then the next one is now under the taskbar again. If you scroll up a bit, there is something I call system tray. My system call it system tray, and in your system it might be called task tray. So that is what we call system tray or task tray. Here, this is a minor, but if you open it, you have yourself at this place. Now I want to see one important thing here. Here you can see there is this button that called touch keyboard, and click on this button. Click on always. When you click on always, you discover that the keyboard comes out here. If you click on this one, it's going to give me this keyboard here, virtual keyboard. You can see you can minimize, you can maximize, you can use this keyboard. So now click on this button and take it never. The importance of this is that maybe if you have problem with your keyboard, then you can use the virtual keyboard, and this can be operated on the taskbar settings. Then close this one. Then there is another one I call other system tray icon. Click on it to open it. Once you click on it to open it, you have so many information here. The first one is window update. This will notify you whenever you have window updates on your device. You can see it, and this is helpful. That is why I enable it. The next one is Microsoft OneDrive, and this will also notify you when you have information on Microsoft, and it normally comes as it takes place. The next one is hidden menu icon. If you turn it off, all the menu icon will turn off, but if you turn it on there, you have access to this, and you can from here do a lot of options. The last one I want to explain here is taskbar behavior. Click on this button. When you click on this button, now we have behaviors on taskbar. So I want to take a look at this place and some of the behaviors on taskbar here. The first one is automatically hide taskbar. Click on this button. You can see that the taskbar has disappeared, but once you move your mouse to the base or at the top, depending on where your taskbar is located, it comes out again. So let's uncheck that one and have access to this taskbar. The next one is show badges on task app. Click on this button. You can see that the badges as enabled here. Then click on it again. It takes away the badges, you can see, and this helps you to identify whatever point or whatever information you're going to have on any of the app you have here. Let's do it again. You see, then the next one is show flash at taskbar app. This flash tells you that whenever an app is active, then you're going to see flash that comes up on it. The next one still says share my window from. If you link your computer with any window, you're going to have access to that. Then select the far corner of the taskbar to show desktop, and that's one. This one is active. If you click on this place, it's going to show my desktop. You can see it here. If you click on it again, it's going to bring you to this interface. But if you disable it now and you come and click at this find, your desktop will not be active. Then click on it again to show my desktop. Then combine task button and hide label. If you click on this button, you can have information to when ask is few or when never. So that is that you can do on that. So let's take away and take out of that. There's a particular one I want to explain in this place, which is known as task alignment under taskbar behavior. Now take a look at what you have here. Everything is shifted to the left side, and this makes it look like Windows 10. Click on this button and click on center. You can see it has bring it to the center. The reason you may likely shift this to this end is that if you open multiple windows, multiple apps, you're able to have them and the tray section here. I'm at the taskbar here. That is what you can easily set up using the taskbar settings here. Aside this, there are some other settings you need to put in place, but this time around you're going to do it in the registry on your device. So I would like you to pay keen attention as I push you through the process in this video. So combine Windows plus R on your device. It brings you this interface. Right regedit on OK, then click on yes. So once you click on it, it comes out like this. So I've prepared a code that you need to input in this place. The first one is Resize icon on taskbar. So from here, copy this. I'll put this code in the description of this video. Copy it. Once you copy it, come to this place. then paste it like this, hit the enter button. It's going to bring you to this interface. You can see it here now. It has brought it out like this. Now what you have to do now is to come down to this here, anyone here, right click here, then move your mouse to the arrow at front of nail, click on dword 32-bit value, click on it. And I've clicked on it, write task in capital bar, capital XI, then that is the name. Now right click on it to modify this. Once you modify it, you're going to take 3 settings here that is very important. The first one, which is default, is here the value of hexadecimal should be 1. This is the normal size of this taskbar size here, hexadecimal 1. Then if you want a smaller one, you write 0. Then you're going to have smaller up here. Then if you add a bigger one, which is the biggest one, you're going to put 2 here, which is this. Then you now click OK. So that is that. Once you click on OK here, then restart your device, or you restart your file explorer on your device. Now that I've done that, the next one is how to move this taskbar to the top of the screen here. You can move it to the top of the screen here. On Windows 10 it's not like this, but on Windows 11 there is also a code that you can use to do that. That is why you need to copy this code again, then copy it. This code will be in this video description. So copy it, then open registry again. Here in this place, paste the code here, hit the enter button on your keyboard. It's going to bring you to this interface. Now here, this reg binary, right click here, then modify. Once modify, it brings you to this interface. Now take a look at this one, this particular one, EFE. Here you write 01, you take it at the top. If you write 03, these at the bottom. So if you change this one to 01 and you click on OK, then restart your system or you restart your file explorer, it's going to move this one to the up. And that's all, guys. That is all the things you need to know about customizing your taskbar on your Windows 11 PC. If you enjoyed what I've explained in this video, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to like and share your comments in the comment section. In that, we'll see you soon on our next video.